Y'all, this was a total influence buy. So I saw this. I thought it was kind of cute, you know, online. But then I saw someone else unbox one, and I was like, oh, that is cuter than it is online. I went and ordered it, and here it is. Again, it took a week later to get to me than its original delivery date. But like I said, you know, you have to understand, I have to understand that there are other states. I live in Alabama, and we didn't have ice and snow and all that. Not down where I live. And I had to remember that there are other states that are dealing with that kind of stuff. So anyway, let's take a look at this. She is so cute. She is even cuter than what I thought, even cuter than what I thought I saw. She is, if I had seen this in store, I wouldn't have hesitated. I would have went ahead and picked this up. I don't know. She was coming off darker to me than she looks like right now. She's so cute. So let's take off some of this wrappings. I was going to say stuffings. And then let's take a look at her. Okay, guys. So I'm just really, really liking it, even more. And I think this is why unboxing videos are great, because the way it looked online, I wasn't impressed. But like I said, I watched someone else's unboxing, and I was like, oh, that is really cute. So I missed a spot. So let's get that off. All right. So let's take a look around her. So she has those kind of the smaller C's, but she's really cute. I'm really happy with this. So we got Brandon there. We got the back pocket. No feet. There we go. I love this gold. It's really pretty with it. And then we will open it up. Ooh, they got this one stuffed. But it really makes it cuter when it's stuffed like that. Ooh. Oh, and it is, what color is this? It's kind of like a, it's almost a brown, but I think it's just a really dark red. It's really pretty on the inside. So we got that slip pocket up front, and then we got the zipper pocket back here with the story patch back here. With the pesky sensor. Take that out of there. Really cute. Okay, so I bought some things that I thought would be cute with it, that from my stash. Now, this looks like it went with this, but this was with the, I think this is September. It came out with, there was a beige Rowan with this color around it, which I haven't worn yet. But it came out with the, it was the black Rowan with the roses and all that on it. And I forget what the name of this, like this one is Peony, and this one is, I forget what the name of this one is, Dusty Rose, I think. But it looks really good together. I mean, you know, that's silver, but I never care about that. All right, so that is definitely going to work with that. And then I was wondering what else I could put on it. So I was thinking this little chain here. This is not an authentic Coach chain, but I have been wearing it with my Coach purses. It came with a Coach inspired purse that I got from eBay. Let me see, that's not gonna, I don't think that's gonna look good. I think it's too long for that. So let's see. That's not gonna work. And that wouldn't look good. I don't think it's going to work, but we'll just keep it there for now. All right, and then I thought maybe this little cutie here. That chain is not gonna work. And then this. I've had this for ages, and you can do too much. So the dinosaur, I think it's too much. And I thought maybe that would be cute. I'm thinking that's too much too. Yeah, that's too much. So, if I can find another, I'm sure I have another gold chain around here. It just won't have this, you know, the look like it has the stitching. It just won't have that. But let's just, for our purposes right now, see. Oh, I know I have another chain. Wait a minute. I have this chain. So let's take that one off. And that is actually an authentic Coach chain. And let's do this. Let's see if that goes better. I think that works a little bit better. Figure something out. Still kind of a little long. but we'll have to see. But anyway, you get the idea. I'll play with it until I figure something out. But that is the plan so far. I think that's cute. All right, so did y'all pick this one up? I would love to know. And tell me, I would love to see how y'all are. Oh, I've seen people use the new tea rose that they have with it, and it's super cute. I have the old one, and oh, I call them tea rose, but these are butterflies. But anyway, and this is the authentic one from Coach, like, I don't know, a year or two ago, maybe 2 or 3 years ago. But anyway, I thought that that would be cute with it, and that is what I'm going to do with it. So let me know what you guys are doing, and you can tell me what you think. All right, I will talk to y'all later. Bye.